In this overview demo of my Bing Bang Profit software, you're going to see a campaign from beginning to end, like you're about to get started right now, using all the tools and features that my software has to offer. So I'm going to go ahead in my Bing Ads account and create a campaign. I'm going to do visits to website. I will name my campaign as the offer that I've chosen, which is real surveys get paid today. I'm going to choose a budget, and I will choose specific locations. And I will uncheck the who of the people searching. I want people in my target locations, and go to save and go to next. And in this area, this is going to be the simplest method that you're going to put. Just put paid surveys, and again paid surveys. And that's it. Don't do anything else. Just one keyword, one ad group name, and go to save and go to next. Then you want to create an ad real quick. So what you're going to add here is basically whatever your offer is. So just put anything right now. Get paid for your opinion. Get started for free. Work from home. Get paid by just giving your opinions. Hence, okay, doesn't matter what you put. As you can see, I'm not adding anything else. Now, before I finish up, I need to put some kind of URL here. So my advice is that you go back into your Bing Bang Profit software and go to link tracking. Now, my link tracking is going to help you in many ways, so just keep watching so you can see the power of this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new link, and I'm going to call this Real Surveys Pay. And I'm going to choose the affiliate network, so it's Max Bounty, and the primary URL. Now, I'm going to go and get my affiliate links. I'm going to quickly build my affiliate link. So this is a search campaign raw link, and I'm going to name this Bing Ads. That's where I'm going to be getting my traffic from, and I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to head over into my account of my Bing Bang Profits. I'm going to enter that link there, and then next thing I will do is inject the tracking. Okay, so everything's injected, everything's fine. This is what's going to help me find what's winning, what's not. And then I'm going to take my postback URL and come back into my Max Bounty account under the offer and place it here and choose URL and save pixel. So this is going to communicate with my software. So back into my software, I'm going to go ahead and click on add. Now I've got a link that's ready to go. Now I'm going to take this, copy this tracking link, go back into my campaign, and I'm actually going to put this here. But watch, this is going to change very soon. I just want you to watch what happens. It's like magic. So this is my final URL. Okay, now it's not really the final URL, but let's work with that. So everything's set, all right, and then I'm going to click on save. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on save and go to next. I'm going to fix my budget. I'm going to leave it as I want to get the most conversions. I'm going to put it at $1, and I'm going to be testing this, using my software and everything, and then I can scale up later and bring this down when I find the specific data. Now, what I'm going to do here is also change this part right here. I don't want any tablets, and I don't want any smartphones. Let's see how that's going to work. Maybe I'll have to change it later on, who knows. So now we're ready to go. So we just created our first ad group. Everything's ready. We might want to go into our settings and actually and maybe change the demographics and devices, whatever the demographics, but that's up to you. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Now once that's done, I'm going to head over to my Bing competition, and I'm going to go ahead and find some ads that I found using my software for my specific one and add them into my account. So I'm going to choose some that are related to me. Okay, so I'm choosing ones that I want to use. And I'm also going to do one more with work from home. These are the best ads that are running right now for your competition. I'll choose this one, this one, and this one. All right, and then I'm going to head over to my Create Bing Ad, and I'm going to refresh this. And this is refreshing my Bing Ads account right now from the campaign that I created so it can show up. I'm going to choose the campaign that I've just created. So I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to choose the ad group. And you can see that the final URL is this for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and create. So this is going to push all the ads into my campaign. So if I go in here and go into my ads, magically, all the ads that I chose are pushed over. Okay, so I'm done with that. You can still see that the final URL is still there. Now, next thing I want to do is add some keywords. I haven't found any keywords yet, so I'm going to go to Bing Suggest, which is our Bing Suggest. It's finding keywords from the actual ads that you found that are working for your competition, and I'm going to go ahead and add them inside my campaign. I'm going to choose a bidding. I'll do 50. And I'll do broad and add. All keywords have been added. Now I can do the same thing and just add something else, but for now I'll just keep it as it is, as broad. So now we have keywords. The next thing I want to do is go back into my links, and this is where the power comes in. So the link that I have for the specific offer is this one right here. This is the one that I created. So I'm going to go in there, and what I'm going to do is set tracking. Now what this is going to do is going to go into the actual campaign that I created, and it's going to set everything, even the final URL. You see this? This is the actual final URL, but it does even more things. So once that's done, and I come back into my campaigns, watch this. Once I refresh this page, watch how this is going to change. And a lot more things. So right now you can see that this has changed. And what does this mean? If I go into my editing, if I edit it, you can see that the tracking template has been added now, and it's got all the information that I want to collect my data using my software. This has been injected without you knowing any type of tracking knowledge, or you're a complete newbie. Don't worry. You're about to see something awesome. So right now, I've created my tracking. It's added in my campaigns for every ad that I've placed. Now going back into my Bing Bang Profit software, the type of information that you're going to be getting is mind-blowing. So if I go into this part, which is still running, the information that I'm going to be getting is basically the ad group, ad ID, the keyword, and match type. And what does this do is basically give you the winning offers, the winning keywords that have made you conversions. So if I scroll down and I go to one of my tests that I've been doing, if I click on this right here, you're going to see some results from a specific ad, just like something that I've created right now. You can see that in this first top area, I've made $2 from a specific keyword. This is the keyword that converted for my offer with this ad ID and my ad group, and from which country, when it converted, and what kind of match type. This is powerful because then you can go out into your ads and eliminate the ones that haven't brought you any conversions, etc. Now, to take it even further, we're also going to be split testing the specific campaign that I just created. We're going to name this the Real Surveys That Pay. I'm going to choose the actual campaign, but first I'm going to refresh. So by choosing the campaign that I'm running right now, so this would be, again, real surveys that pay, choose the ad group, and the split test, I want to know which ad or keywords, it's up to you, is the one that is converting. So I'm going to do ads, and I'm going to choose the link that I created. And what I want to do is depending on the metrics that I want. So if I want every 5 clicks, I want my ads to rotate, and I want this to run for 12 hours, actually 24 hours. And the metrics that I want in this part is basically conversions. I want to see which one is converting. So I'm going to create. So what this is going to tell me is basically the data that I'm going to get from when it runs, and it will give me precisely what's been working for me, which ad copy, and it will help me eliminate all the ad copies that haven't been working for me. So for example, in this campaign, we've created a bunch of ads just like the ones that you've seen, and we put it to work for 5 hours, and we wanted to see the click-through rate, which ad copy was getting better click-through rates. And we decided that the number one ad that we want to scale up and remove the rest that haven't been giving us the conversions, we'll keep these and then scale on these. And that's how we were able to maximize and get more results because of our split testing tool. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how my Bing Bang Profit software will help you maximize results using all the features introduced in this video. I hope you enjoyed this and make the decision to pick it up today. Click the links below and I'll see you inside.